Our fifth and final quick win is escalate exceptions. Having data that is easily accessible to your team is not enough. It's also important to proactively alert your team when problems arise. The idea behind this is very simple and builds on the concept of democratizing data. Get the right information to the right people at the right time. A clear chain of escalation is very important. For example, downtime is the largest source of lost production time for most manufacturers. In the case of a downtime event, it is important that each member of your team is notified at an appropriate time. Consider escalating in 4 tiers. Provide a clear visual to operators when the line goes down. Alert supervisors if the line stays down. Alert the area manager if the down state persists. And escalate to the plant manager if the line is down for an extended period of time. Here's a valuable tip derived from real-world experience. Most companies generate too many alerts and escalate too quickly. All that does is train your team to ignore alerts. So carefully craft your escalation pyramid. As you ascend the pyramid, notify people at each level as it is truly critical for them to get involved. The first tier is alerting operators. We recommend that you use a simple color system. For example, green means running, red means not running because of an unplanned stop, yellow means not running because of a planned stop, and blue means production is not scheduled. Make sure to also show how long the line has been stopped to maintain a sense of urgency. The second tier is alerting line supervisors via text or email. These should be people who can respond quickly, your rapid response team. A good starting point is to create alerts for longer down events and changeovers that are over their target time. The third tier is alerting area managers. This tier should be targeted to whomever in your plant is a logical resource to assist when additional authority and responsibility are needed. These are people who can quickly clear a path to action. The fourth tier is alerting the plant manager. There is a wide range in how hands-on plant managers prefer to be, so we recommend asking under what conditions your plant manager would like to receive alerts. One final tip. You should also provide your mid and top level managers with a dashboard that makes it easy for them to see the real-time, right now status of the plant. For example, we call this particular visual a digital Andon. It is simple, colorful, and easy to skim. Let's recap. Right information, right people, right time.